Today we will learn about prepositions part 1. Definition. Preposition is the word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in that what relation the person or thing denoted by it stand in regards to something else. Preposition means that which is placed before. Preposition joins a noun to another noun. Preposition joins a noun to adjective. Preposition joins a noun to verb. Now we will have a look at kinds of prepositions. Simple preposition. The words used are at, by, for, from, in, of, OFF of, on, out, through, till, to, up, and with. Now compound prepositions formed by using prefixes. Example: above, about, among, around, before, behind, below, between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, without. Now we will have a look at the third type, phrase prepositions. These are a group of words used with the force of a single preposition. Example: according to, along with, in case of, because of, on account of, owing to, in front of, in reference to, because of. Now, example: owing to his ill health, he retired from the business. Now, let us see how each of the preposition is used. First one is in. In is used with the name of countries and large towns. At is used for small towns and villages. Example: they live in Delhi. So Delhi is a big town, big city, so we use in. He lives at Andheri. Andheri is a small area in Mumbai, so we say at. In and at are used in speaking of things. Example: he is in bed. He is at the top of the class. To and into are used in speaking of things in motion. Example: he ran to school. He jumped into the river. On. On is used in speaking of things at rest. Example: he sat on a chair. Upon. Upon is used for things in motion. Example: the cat sprang upon a chair. Next one, till. Till is used for time. Example: he slept till 1 o'clock. Now next one, to is used for place. Example: he walked to the end of the garden. With denotes the instrument and the agent. Example: he killed her with a knife.